Good morning, class 5. Today we are going to read chapter number 9 from language side, pronouns and its kinds. Before going to this chapter, what is pronoun? Pronouns are the words which are used in the place of noun. For example, noun noun are the naming words, but pronoun takes the place of noun. Okay. The nouns examples of nouns are Payal, Satvik, student, car can be replaced by pronoun she, he, they, it, etc. There are six kind of pronoun. There are six kind of pronoun that is given in your book. Personal pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronouns and distributive pronouns. We will discuss it one by one all. First we will discuss about the personal pronouns. What is personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are the words which are used for three persons. Three persons means person speaking, person spoken to or person spoken of. person speaking मतलब जो आदमी बोल रहा है. person speaking, for example, I, we, me, us, our, mine, etc. Person spoken to, person spoken to refers to you, yours. Okay. And person spoken of or person spoken about refers to he, she, it, they, her, his, their, and etc. Now look at the example in the blackboard. I am learning grammar. Here I. Okay. I is the personal pronoun. They are cheating them knowingly. Here they and them. These are the pronouns. Okay. There are more examples given in your book. Just check it one by one. One, I am learning grammar. I am learning grammar. In the first sentence here I is the pronoun. They are meeting us today. Look at the second sentence. They are meeting us today. Here they and us. These are the pronouns, personal pronouns. You are cheating them knowingly. Here you and them. We are not buying their house. Here we, their. These are all personal pronouns. If you observe the blackboard very carefully, you come to know about the personal pronouns. Here is an activity given in your book. Try to do it in your own idea. In my next class, this will be said. Now, move to the demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? We are discussing about the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun are the pronouns which are used to point out things or persons. Okay? For example, this, that, these, those, such. These are the examples of demonstrative pronoun. Okay? These are used to demonstrate, to show, okay, or to point out. Such, this and that are singular, this and that are singular, whereas these and those are plural. And such can refer to things both plural and singular. Okay. Look at the first point. This and these are used to point out near us. These and these are the demonstrative pronouns which are used to point out the things or person which are near to us. Okay. But that and those are the pronouns which are used to point out which are not near. The persons and things which are not near to us. Okay, we use that and those. Such is used to point out which are not in sight. Not in sight means which are not visible. Okay. Now look at the example in your book. This is my water bottle. These are our new clothes. Here these and these. These are these and these are point out the persons or things which are near to us. It is given in your book. Look at the bottle which is kept near to the boy. Okay. These are our new clothes. In case of plural, we use these instead of this. That and those are used to point out the persons or things which are not near to us. जौन सा चीज पास में नहीं है, वो सिंगुलर हो या फिर प्लूरल हो, तब हम that और those यूज कर सकते हैं. जहाँ that is the, look at the example, that is an old building. That here that refer to the building which is not near to us. Okay. Those are the mangoes we plucked from the tree. Those mangoes here in plural case, mangoes, those is used. Those are the mangoes we plucked from the tree. Now look at the third point in your book. Such is used to point out the things which are not in sight. Such is the result of dishonesty. Such. Here such is the result. Here such is the example of demonstrative pronoun. We can use this pronoun in case of singular and plural. We can say that such are the rich and developed countries. Here such. Okay. In case of plural, here such is used. Now, relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? These are the pronouns which are used to connect the two statements. Now look at the example. I have a robot. I have a robot. The robot can do my work. The robot can do my homework. The robot can, I have a robot, the robot can do my homework. We connect these two statements by using the relative pronoun. Okay. I have a robot. I have a robot. Here look at the statement. A robot, the robot. In the two statement, robot is used two times. Okay. I have a robot which can do my homework. Here which is the relative pronoun. Okay, which, who. Now look at the second example in your book. This is a boy. This boy met me in a bus. This is the boy who met me in a bus. Here who is the relative pronoun. There is an activity given in your book. So please try to do it yourself. In my next class, I will send this activity one by. Thank you.